Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can set up two-factor authentication on Ring app. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to this three lines on your top left corner. Then this menu will pop up like this, and then what you need to do is just go to account setting, or you can go to center. Let me just go with that one. So all the way down you find account security just below phone number. There you'll find the option saying password and two-step verification. So what you need to do is just go to two-step verification like this. It will load and take some time maybe, and now you are over here. So it will ask you how should we send you code, so you can have text messages or authenticate app. In this particular video I'm going to show you guys with the text message. So just select it, and then what you need to do is create mobile number if you want, continue it. Then firstly verify your account like this. Just have your password, verify it, you receive this, you receive the code, verify it. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.